Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to draw on Canva. Drawing on Canva is easy and you can create custom designs using the draw tool or other shapes and lines. Open your Canva application and then make sure to log into your account. Open up an existing design or create a new design. I'm just gonna open up an existing one from here. After opening up a design, go ahead and tap on the Draw button appearing at the bottom of the screen. Within the Draw menu, choose your pen style. You can choose from the variety of pen type available on the screen. I'm just gonna select this red marker. After choosing your pen type, you can also select the color of your pen. Tap on the Color Palette button and choose the color, and once you are done, you can also choose the thickness for the drawing by tapping on the little black stack kind of a button at the bottom right. Now select the weight or the size of your marker, choose the transparency for your pen, and after you do that, you can now use the pen to create drawings onto your design. Begin drawing directly with the help of your fingertip or your mouse. I'm just gonna scrabble on the page right now so that I can show you how you can use the pen. So that's how you can easily draw in one of your Canva design. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.